Delta has partnered with Listen Sound Co. and their charity partner, Starkey Hearing Foundation, because we believe voices should be heard and that sound has the power to change lives. Enjoy noise-canceling headphones when traveling in our Delta One and Delta Premium Select cabins. By choosing Delta, you're helping thousands of people hear for the first time. On one flight, a new world of opportunity is opened. One sound can ignite a movement. One sound can empower lives. One sound can change everything.